this is Leila. Welcome back to my mini-series, Diary of a Wavy Girl. As you can see, today I do have my hair up. Here, I'll show you. I didn't want to deal with it today, so I just did like a diagonal Dutch braid and ended it with a fishtail that I just wrapped into a bun on the side. So, yeah, like I said, some days I don't really want my hair long, and I do like my hair in protective hairstyles. So, anyway, I recently was in a drawing and ended up with some free Monat samples, and I'm really excited to try them. When I won, it was cool because my friend didn't know that I was starting a mini-series on things for wavy hair and that I was going to be showing or trying different products in the meanwhile. So this is super exciting. She asked me all about my hair and what kind of hair I had and describe it. So I did, and I have the box this way because I don't want to share my address. Okay, so I have to open it to see. I've never ever tried Monat before. I've heard of it. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, what have we got? Okay, a Revitalize conditioner. So that's something I will be trying and reviewing. Let's see, what have we got? A Renew shampoo. So cool. Okay, let's see what else. Wow, see, when she said she was sending me a sample, I thought she meant like tiny little tubes, just like this big or something. I didn't know she meant like a whole thing. This is crazy. This is probably like hundreds of dollars worth of stuff. Aren't you happy for me? Oh my goodness. Oh, that's insane. Okay, a shampoo and conditioner. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, let's see. A split end mender. That's gonna be really fun to try. Oh my word, you guys. This is insane. Super moisture mask.
Oh, that's so cool.
There's a mysterious tiny voice on my video. Okay. And I think this is a hair oil. What is this? I'm gonna open this one up. Oh my goodness, this is exciting, you guys. Okay. I'm afraid of breaking something. Ooh. I'm gonna sniff it. Ooh, it smells like lemons. Ooh. I am blown away. Like, I seriously thought she was just going to send tiny sample sizes because she said she was sending a sample. This is like a full bathroom set. So I will be trying these products and reviewing them. So definitely stay tuned for an upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.